थंयचो VRL लॉजिस्टीक म्हण तेणी कितकोन हें केलो आहा थंयचो सारको लोगो बी काण सारकें यू वील फील इट इज रियल.
So everything is there, the site, address.
एवरीथिंग इन
Everything
डिटेल
is
ना
there in detail.
सारकें बायफिकेशन बी कोन तेमी सारकें इन डिटेल गायलो आहा आख्खें. ओके आतां हो संदीप तेजें नांव एंड ही इज अ स्टाफ ऑफ विक्टर हॉस्पिटल. तो तें कामां आसता. सो आतां तेका ट्रान्सफर येयला सुरताक. सो आतां इशू कितें जालो तेका तेगे सामान आहा तें शिफ्ट करपा जाय आसलें. नाव तेगे आतां सामान शिफ्ट करपा आतां हांव युजली कितें कोत्ताय वी कॉल गेट कनेक्टेड वीथ एनी ऑफ द कुरियर सर्विसीस कोण जे फास्ट मुवींग आहा वो फास्ट पावयतले ते आमी गुगलाचेर बी जायत पाट आमी फायंड आवट कोत्तायचो. बट तेक बाडे खबर ना दॅट ही दीस पर्टिक्युलर गुगल who gives information will turn out into something else which is weird आनी तें बॅकफायर जायन एक स्कॅम जाता म्हूण तेका बड्या खबर ना. आतां कितें कोत्ताय आमगे गोंयकार जायत जाणां कोण UK आसताय वो भायर आसताय वो गोंयचे भायर काम कोत्ताय. सो मोस्टली वॉट दे डू इज दे ट्राय एंड गेट कनेक्टेड टू मोस्ट ऑफ द कुरियर सर्विसेस who are well known courier services. Now this particular boy, what happened, now he wanted to transfer his things when he was here to Surat, as he got a transfer to Surat. So तो गुगलाचेर गेलो खंय आनी गुगलाचेर ताणें टायप केलें की आपणाचें सामान ट्रान्सफर करपाक टू हेल्प हिम विच एवर द सायट पॉसिबल आनी लोअस्ट कोटेशन. सो तेणें गुगलाचेर घायलें. एज पर वेन ही हॅड पुट इट ऑन द गुगल इट्सल्फ ही गॉट रँडमली वन फॉर्म एंड ही हॅड टू फील अप दॅट फॉर्म फिल अप केलें खंय आनी तेका खंय वन ऑफ द कुरियर सर्वीस म्हूण VRL म्हूण येयली खंय एंड ही फेल्ट दॅट VRL इज अ ट्रस्टवर्दी कुरियर सर्वीस आनी फास्टस्ट म्हूण तें चूज केलें. आतां तेका खबर ना VRLूय बी फेक आहा आनी VRLाकूय बी स्कॅम जाता म्हूण. नाव दीस पर्टिक्युलर सायट वीच शोड अप एज VRL वॉज नॉट एक्चुअली VRL बट सम अदर फेक सायट विथ द नेम ऑफ VRL. आनी तेका खंय सांगिल्लें खंय आपण उमके कडेन येत खंय म्हूण आतां द होल इन्सिडंट ही इज गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन टू यू वेर दिस पर्सन केम हाव ही पिक्ड अप द थिंग्स. ही गेव अ GPay नंबर आनी कॉलिंग कोता आसता खंय होत खंय वॉट्सॅपाचेर बिकॉज द लोकेशन कांट बी ट्रॅक. ही इज नॉट मेकिंग अ नॉर्मल कॉल. आतां नॉर्मल कॉलाचेर कितें जाता तें रोखडें ट्रॅक करूंक मेळटा. आतां हेजेर कितें जाता वॉट्सॅपाचेर इट गेट्स लिटल difficult to track, but it can be tracked. It takes longer time to track. That's what now the IO and the PI and so on, like they told us how and what to go about. But what happened over here is तेगे बाडेगे सामान गेले तेगे बाडेगे पयशे गेले कित्याक तेणें सगळें ट्रान्जॅक्शन केलें तें GPay कोण केल्लें and he gives all weird numbers for transaction. मागीर ऑनलायन QR कोड दी मागीर ऑनलायन ट्रान्जॅक्शन केलें तें केलें. आतां सगळें जालें. आतां तो सांगो थंय तुका सामान जाय जाल्यार अमके पयशे डिपॉजीट कर आपूण तुगे सामान दिता. मागीर तेका सांगो थंय तूं अमके पयशे तुवें ट्रान्सपोर्टाक परतून दिवपाक पडटलें तुजें सामान पावोवपाक. सो हे तो स्कॅम तेणें वयल्यान ऑलरेडी कुरियर करपाक अमावंट घायलो. ट्रान्सपोर्टा सेपरेट हांगा परतून तूं पावोवपाक जाल्यार अमको एमावंट घाल म्हूण थंय तेच्या फाटल्यान सांगो थंय की आपण तर तुगे सामान तर उमके लोकेशनार पावयतात तेचे सेपरेट पयशे म्हणटा. सो हे स्कॅम आतां ते एकल्या जालो आहा. हाव एश्योर्ड वी कॅन बी दॅट टुमॉरो इट वोंट बी टू द रेस्ट ऑफ द गोवन्स. ओ कितलेशे ट्युरिस्ट आमगे गोंय येताय सो ते जायत सामानूय हिंग येताय. समटायम वॉट हॅपन्स दे ट्राय टू टेक अ कुरियर सर्वीस टू ट्रान्सपोर्ट. आतां हाल कितें आहा बाय चान्स कितें तर आमकां जाय आसलोलें ट्रान्सपोर्ट कुरियर सर्वीस आहा हाल्या तर तें फेक जालें आमगे गोंयकारांकूय स्कॅम जावपाक शकता. वो कोण ट्युरिस्ट आमगे गोंय येताय ते स्कॅम जावपाक शकता. सो हिंगा म्हाकोत कितें आमगेले ऑथॉरिटीजां कडेन लायक द क्रायम ब्रांच जावं वो आमगे पुलीस जावं की हेंचेरूय मातशें लक्ष घाल्याय कित्याक हें स्कॅम बारीक एमावंटान न्हू आनी हें इनवॉल्वमेंटूय जायत जाणांनी आसतलें. आतां कोण कोण आहाय आनी हेंच्या फाटल्यान कोण आहाय तें आमकां खबर ना. सो वॉट हॅपन्स फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ द गोवन्स नॉट टू फॉल अ प्रे वी थॉट ऑफ कमींग ऑनलायन आनी एक बायट दिवपाक चिंतिल्ली आमी मिडियाचेर येयन सो दॅट दीस बिकम्स एन अवेरनस फॉर द रेस्ट अदर्स. बिकॉज VRL तर इट इज वेल नोन कुरियर सर्वीस and if on VRL, name of VRL, if someone is trying to scam goans जावं or any कोण who are trying to take their assistance, then tomorrow worst thing can happen. आतां हाल्या कोणागे व्हडलें सामान आहा जायत सामानूय वचों शेकोता पयशेय वचों शेकोताय मागीर हूंय सोदतलीं आतां काय आतां कोणा टायम आहा तो 10-5 पावट मारतलो पुलीस स्टेशनाक कोणा काम ना कोणागे फॅमिली आहा कोणा बिजनस आहा कोण आनी हूंय कडेन भायलगांव काम आहा तो कितें 10-5 पावट मारपा ना की आपणागे पयशे गेले मार सोड आतां तांकांय खबर आहा 10-5 कोण पावट मारपा ना आनी सोडून दितले म्हूण दॅट इज वाय दीस इज हॅपनिंग and I'm asking the authorities, police, to take strong action against this and it has to stop somewhere. कित्याक आयज तर हेक जालो हा हेज्या पयलीं कितले जाणां जालो आहलो आसतलें आनी कोणें तें इनिशिएटीव घेयलां वो घेयला ना तें आमकां खबर ना बट इट हॅज नॉट कम ऑन मिडिया बट दिस इज एन अवेरनेस पर्पज लायक वी हॅव कम अहेड ऑन मिडिया सो दॅट नो वन फॉल्स अ प्रे एंड टुमॉरो सच थिंग नॉट टू हॅपन. This is why we are trying to take this video and trying to help rest others to be aware and rather than visiting these Google sites and all, please see ki tengele office genuine office ha and try to find out with the neighbors e hore genuine since how many years that office have been running courier office o kesle कित्या आतां स्कॅम जाता कोण भायर धाड म्हूण स्कॅम जाताय आतां कुरियराकूय स्कॅम जावपा लागले सो चिंतपाचें लोकांक भायर धाड म्हूण तो एजंट नाच जाताय आज कुरियर कोताय म्हूण सामान घेवन आनी ऑफिसूय नाच जाता सो सगळे मनीसूय फेक गाडी फेक जीपे अकाउंट तोय फेक कॉन्टॅक्ट नंबर फेक आनी VRL नाव म्हूण घेयलां वीच इज जेन्युइन वीच इज ऑल्सो फेक अगेन. So I hereby call up to the concerned authorities to take swift action against this and तेक बडे जास्तीच दिचे कित्याक तेगे बडेगे सामानूय गेले आनी तेगे बडेगे पयशेय गेले आनी तेका आतां काम माम सोडींग आतां रावपा पडलें. थँक्यू.
Because in their name, such scammers are doing business and cheating our goans and maybe other people also. So what will happen? This is the classic case of a courier scam, which needs to be stopped right at this time. Because if we do not act and if the police do not act swiftly in such cases, they will be doing it very openly, knowing that they will be doing it openly, thinking that the police cannot catch them. So this should be stopped right now at this point of time in this particular case itself.
I have searching for moving from Goa to Surat. So meanwhile I was searching, I got a random site saying that if you want to move your things, please fill this form. Just I filled my name and number, that's it. Then after that I got 4-5 quotations from different companies. So I've seen all the quotations. Then in that all quotation I got to see that VRL Logistics. So I thought VRL is well established company. So I contacted them and they gave me quotation of 11,500 rupees for shifting to Surat. So then I contacted them. They said they will come on so and so day. So they came. When they came, I asked them, "You're from which company?" They said, "VRL Logistics." Then after that, I asked them, "आप क्या करते हो?" They said, "We pack and we load. That's it we do. Other than that, we don't do anything." They said. So okay, fine. Then I made them to pack everything, whole house. Then all together, we have spoken for 8 bags and 5 cardboard box. We spoke a deal for 11,500 and a bike. Then after packing everything, it was 21 boxes. So he told, if it is 21 boxes, you have to pay extra amount. Then I asked him how much. Then he said 16,000 more, 16,000 you have to pay. He said like that. Then I paid him directly. Then he gave me all the forms according to the norms. Before also I shifted the same thing forms what we got before also from different company. So I thought same forms. Then I shifted. Then before going also like workers only they asked me some chai pani ke liye de do, like that they asked me. Then I gave them some amount for chai and all. Then after that he said within 3 days you will get your luggage in Surat, he said like that. So actually next day is my train from Goa to Surat. So me, my 2 kids and my wife, we traveled to Surat. After 3 days, he sent me a quotation again saying that you have to pay 22,000 more. Then I asked him for what I need to pay 22,000. Then he said for crossing borders, income tax, tax, road tax, everything he showed me. Then I found out around my friends like this it will happen or what. They said yeah, road tax and all will be there and tax also will be there. Like it was written in the quotation also. So I thought it's fine, it's fair. Then I paid. That I paid on one Google Pay number. The Google Pay is Mr. Prakash Kohli name was there. Then I asked him who is this? He said he's my friend only. You pay on that number, I can take money from there. Then I paid it. After paying, by evening you will get your luggage. He said it's on 12th. Then after that I called him. By evening I didn't get my luggage. Then I called him. When I called him, he is telling you have to pay 7,000 more. Then only you will get your luggage. Then there only I got doubt, like what is this, again why you're asking. Then borders they are charging so much, you need to pay more, they said like that. Then after that I got doubt and immediately I went to Surat police station and I have an FIR also. See, this is Surat police station ka FIR hai. So they have taken the case and everything was done from there. Then they gave me advice, if you go to Goa, so it will be more easy for you to track them. The police will be more faster than like it's happened in Goa. You go to Goa and give complaint. I came to Goa and I gave a complaint in police station. And yesterday he sent me one bike and 3 cardboard box and one suitcase he sent me back. Then he said, I'm sending everything by evening. Then till evening I was waiting and I was continuously messaging him. He's not contacting me on phone call. He's doing on WhatsApp only. So I messaged him, he didn't reply me anything. Today morning again he replied, you pay everything, total amount you pay, then I'll give you things. He is telling like that. Then I contacted police and they're supporting me and like they said they will track this number. So I request everybody, please don't go online. Online scams are going on so much. I was not aware about this scam and all. So I was like, VRL is a trustworthy company. So I saw the logo of VRL and I gave the things. So after seeing the logo, I didn't go to the VRL company. I didn't confirm that it is VRL or not. So I request everybody, please don't trust any people who was coming online and saying you this one, that one, I'm from this company or not. Please go to the company, just find out, verify, then you give. Today, me, my wife and kids, we don't have clothes to wear. So we kept 2 pairs each for traveling. So only those clothes are there. I kept my kids and wife in Surat in someone's house. Then I came here for tracking all this and giving complaint. So request you, please be aware of these frauds and all.